All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2016 Dodge Dart. It is the SXT model. It's beautiful candy apple red with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls. Super nice. Only 43,000 miles on this car and minimum damage. Just go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Does have some scuffings down here, as you can see, about 4 inches, let's say. Your hood looks good. Your front fender here looks good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see any curbing. Your tire thread here is 530 seconds. Let me double check it. That's correct. Your door here looks good. Your seems to have a dent here. No paint off. About 3 to 4 inches. Boom. This rear door looks good in this quarter. Looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread is 530 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. I lock this key. I lock this car. Let's see here. All right. You got power windows, power door locks, you power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Turn on this vehicle. You guys can check it out. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right here. Got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues in your mileage of 43,913. Pretty much is it. Open up the trunk. Rear passenger seat, and what that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Keeping it moving. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Does have a little chippy there and another one right next to it. Your hood looks good. Your trunk space looks pretty good. It's your rear. You got a spare tire with some tools, and then I tucked away your owner's manuals back there. This is not a hood. This is the trunk lid. Quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread is. Let's double check it. 530 seconds. This looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears for rips. Front door looks pretty good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good as well. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim does have some curbing. About 6 inches. Oops. And tire thread. If I can get there to break. Nope. Alright. Is 530 seconds, it looks like. I'm gonna double check. Yep, that's right around 530 seconds. Alright, lights are working, car is running. Folks, once again, this is a 2016 Dodge Dart SXT model with 43,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.